Welcome back to the channel. My name is Familaya from Bet Media, and today is day 26 of the Python Programming Challenge. We've been installing lots of packages so far, so I said, why don't I talk about the Python package installer, that is PIP. So today I will show you how to install PIP, how to upgrade, how to check your version of different packages that we might be using in this tutorial. So, Python package installer. 6 days of Python, and today I will be talking about PIP. We won't be really running any code, we'll just be talking about the Python package installer. I'm sure you've seen in earlier video when before I start to run my Python function, I usually like install a module, install packages, third-party packages by using PIP. So today I felt it's a good idea to talk about what the Python package installer is. This is the website for the PIP Python package installer, and you can install it by just doing pip install pip. That is if you don't yet have it, if you have not yet done it. But if you have done it, you can verify if you have it by checking the version of the pip that you have. If you don't have it installed, then you might probably get an error because you don't have it installed. So it is a package installer for Python, and you use pip to install packages from the Python package index. So there should be like a list of packages. If I find the URL for the list of some packages, I can put it in the description. But you can take a look at the documentation of how to install and use pip, and you can see it is regularly updated, and you can find details by going through their website. So what we'll talk about is that, I said that if pip is not installed, you can install it using this command, but it's already installed for us. You can see this is the version number, and this is where it is found in our system. So now what are some basic pip commands that you can use? This is just commonly basic pip command. So to install a package, you have to use pip install and whatever package name that you want to install. So imagine that you want to install request. You would run pip install request. And then when we run this, I think I already have it installed. So this would install the request library. So the request library is used for making HTTP requests. So by just writing this command pip install, it installs it. You see, I already have it installed, so it just shows that the requirement is already satisfied. So there are cases where you want to install a particular version of the package. So this installs like the latest version, I believe. And if you want to specify what version that you would like to install, you can specify it in the code. So you see, as usual, we have pip install package, we have pip install the package name, and then we have the double equal sign, and then you put the version number that you want to install. And this should install the version that you want. And then let's imagine that you already have the package installed and it's a lower version and you would like to upgrade to the latest version. There's a way you can do it by using the upgrade command. So you see hyphen upgrade and then the package name that you would like to upgrade. So pip install. You see everything we're doing is pip install. You have to call pip the Python package installer, and then upgrade and then the package name that you want to upgrade. So see pip install, then upgrade. We want to upgrade request to the latest version. And then it will upgrade it to the latest version that it has. The next thing that if you want to do is maybe you want to uninstall a package. Maybe you only install the package for a certain period of time and you do not, or a certain project, and you no longer want that package. Yes, let's see, it installed the, see, it uninstalled the first one and it successfully installed the latest one. So then we have the uninstall packages. So to remove a package, you use the pip uninstall and then the package name. So we want to uninstall request. We have pip uninstall request. And then what if you want to see the list of packages? Because there are sometimes that you're 100% sure that you have a package installed and you don't have that package installed. So then what can you do? You can then use pip list and you can see all the list of packages and their version number that you have installed on your system, and then you can check if truly that package is installed on your system. So this is the summary that pip is a powerful tool for managing Python packaging. It simplifies the process of installing, upgrading, and uninstalling, and can be used with virtual environments to keep project dependency organized. And understanding how to use pip effectively will help you to manage your project more efficiently. So this is all about pip. Let me know example of packages that you have in your pip list. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you were able to learn something from it. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And don't forget to also try the practice questions that are in the Jupyter notebook and put your solutions in the comment section. Let's build a community together. As always, the link to that notebook is in the description below, and I'll see you tomorrow.